Hi, this is Dan. I got my Umarex Steel Storm BB gun just the other day on Saturday, and today is Tuesday. I thought I'd do a little review on it, just a short one, show you what it looks like. It's the Umarex Steel Storm semi-automatic CO2 powered BB air gun. It uses 2 CO2 cartridges in the handle. And here's the back of it. Shows you barrel cannon, muzzle broach, Picatinny rail. The capacity is 300 BBs, which fit in the top section there. And there's your safety, on, off, and fire. Safety on and fire. And then here's your selector switch. Goes from single shot to 6-shot burst. There's your selector right there, single to 6-shot burst. And then your charging handle, you pull that back when you're ready to fire, let go. And there's your CO2 compartment. It's got a release up here behind the trigger, and then another release back there. And then the magazine comes out, which holds the 2 CO2 cartridges. And then here's the information on it. Your trigger, semi-automatic, caliber 177, ammo is steel BBs, safety manual safety, barrel is smooth bore, barrel length is 7.5 inches, dangerous distance is 325 yards, magazine capacity is 30 rounds, reservoir capacity is 300 rounds, power source is 2 12-gram CO2 capsules, and the velocity is 430 feet per second. So anyway, let's go ahead and open the box up and take a look at it. There it is. We've got a little piece of paper on top here. It says Umarex Steel Storm Quick Tips. Press the CO2 magazine release button. Press CO2 magazine drop free button. Complete removal of magazine from grip. Insert 2 12-gram CO2 capsules into the magazine and insert the CO2 magazine fully into the gun. Puncture the CO2 with the key, and then keep gun on safe until ready to fire. And then pull back the charging handle and release. And it shows you little pictures of each one of those. So anyways, let's move that out of the way and pull the BB gun out. Cool, that's what it looks like. So I'll probably make another video when I'm ready to shoot it, and you can watch it fire in semi-automatic and in full 6-round burst automatic. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.